Did you know that by the end of 2024, video content is expected to make up over 88% of all internet traffic? If you're not leveraging video in your marketing strategy, you're missing out on a huge opportunity to connect with your audience and grow your business. But with so many tools available, how do you choose the right one? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. I'm Kristina Stubblefield, and every week we help you unleash your business's potential, boost your visibility, and maximize your time. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful tools in your marketing toolkit, video content. Whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance your current strategy, video can play a crucial role in boosting your brand's visibility and engagement. With so many options out there, from tools and software that work on your mobile, tablet, and desktop, it can be overwhelming to know which software will work best for you. It's important to find a tool that meets you where you are, whether you're a newbie or an experienced video editor. In this episode, we'll explore various tools that make video creation accessible and effective for small businesses so you can start creating high-quality videos that resonate with your audience. Are you ready? Let's get to it. So let's first talk, why is video so important in today's marketing landscape? Well, we got to talk about engagement. Video content has been shown to increase engagement across all platforms. It's more dynamic and easier to consume than text. Did you catch that? It's more dynamic and easier to consume than text, which is why it often garners higher click-through rate and shares on social media. And it's not just about engagement. Video also plays a significant role in SEO. Search engines love video content, especially when it's optimized with the right keywords and metadata. This can help boost your website's ranking and drive more traffic your way. Plus, there's the conversion factor. Studies have shown that adding a video to your landing page can increase conversions by as much as 80%. It's clear that video isn't just a nice to have anymore. It's a must have if you're serious about growing your business. And let's not forget, it's the growing choice to consume content. And let's not forget the growing preference for video content among consumers. Platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok are booming because people love to watch and share videos. If you're leveraging video in your marketing strategy, you're missing out on a massive opportunity to connect with your audience. Since we've established the importance of video, let's talk about the tools that can help you create it. Whether you're working on your mobile, tablet, or desktop, finding the right tool that suits your experience level is key. You don't need to be a professional videographer or have expensive equipment to start making high-quality videos. There are plenty of tools out there that make video creation accessible to everyone. Let's start with beginner-friendly tools. If you're looking to create quick, polished videos without a steep learning curve, there are tools like Canva, Lumen 5, InShot, and Capwing. These are fantastic options. Canva isn't just for graphics anymore. They've expanded their platform to include video creation, making it easy to create engaging videos with drop and drag features. Lumen 5, on the other hand, is perfect for turning blog post or text content into videos in just a few clicks. Tools like InShot and CapCut are great for mobile video editing, offering a range of features that are simple to use but can create professional-looking content. But if you're ready to take your video content to the next level, you might want to explore more professional editing tools. Descript, Filmora, Premiere Pro, and BigView are excellent choices for businesses looking to create more sophisticated content. Descript is a powerful tool that allows you to edit video by editing text. Yes, you heard that right. Filmora is known for its intuitive interface and rich feature set, making it a favorite for many small business owners. There's also Premiere Pro. It is an industry standard for professional video editing, offering advanced features like multi track editing, transitions, and effects that can help you produce videos with a polished professional look. I also must say something about BigView. It is a teleprompter and video editing tool that's great for creating talking head videos, especially when you need to deliver a script smoothly. Now, let's take a step further and talk about AI powered video tools. These tools are game changers for small businesses because they allow you to automate parts of the video creation process, saving you time while still producing high quality content. Let's take Lumen 5, for example. It uses AI to help you create videos by turning your blog post or social media content into engaging videos. It's an excellent way to repurpose your existing content and reach a broader audience. Another great tool is Magisto, which also uses AI to automate video editing, making it easy to create video that tells a compelling story with minimal effort. And I must not forget about Movavi. Movavi is another fantastic AI-powered tool that simplifies video editing by automating many of those tedious tasks involved in video production. Whether it's trimming clips, adding transitions, or enhancing video quality, Movavi's AI capabilities help you create professional-looking videos quickly and efficiently. These AI tools are perfect for busy entrepreneurs who need to produce content quickly without sacrificing quality. They're designed to enhance creativity, not replace it, by taking care of the more time consuming aspects of video production so you can focus on crafting your message. We've just covered a wide range of tools that can help you create effective video content, whether you're a beginner or looking to step up your game with professional or AI powered tools. At the end of the day, it's about finding the right tools that meet you where you are, whether you're just getting started or you're a seasoned video editor. For me and my team, we use various tools depending on the project, but I'll share with you some of our go-to choices. That's Descript, Capwing, Filmora, Premiere Pro, and as I previously mentioned, BigView. These tools help us create content that not only professional, but also tailored to the needs of our audience. I encourage you to try out some of these tools and see how video can elevate your marketing efforts. Remember, you don't have to start big, just get started. If you found this information helpful, be sure to check out more resources on my website, KristinaStubblefield.com, or visit my YouTube channel for additional videos. And don't forget, next week, I'm going to be diving into audio tools, whether you use it for marketing or podcasting. So you want to stay tuned for that. Until next time, keep innovating and simplifying your business processes with the power of technology.